Right off at the top of this video is all about Mahgryn weight loss support. I'm going to show you an AI-generated version of Meryl Streep here in a second that someone out there, I'm not saying it's the people behind the product, are promoting in order to promote this product, and that's not good. And I'm separating the marketing from the product itself, so I'm not going to call the product itself a scam. I'm not doing that. What I am showing you, though, is I'm showing you someone out there is marketing this in a scammy way, unauthorized misuse of the brand, whatever. And so I hope that's clear. This could just be a normal weight loss support pill, formula, whatever. And so I want to make sure that's very clear. So I saw this going around on a website, and it has some, like, I think it was Portuguese. That's what it was in the URL, the web address, which to me means Brazil, which is not that big of a surprise. And so I want to show you just in a second here, this AI generated version of Meryl Streep, which does not even look like her. You're going to be like, that's supposed to be her. And it is supposed to be her, and it is very much scammy. And I'm not saying the people behind the product have anything to do with it. Again, the product is called Mahgryn, Mahgryn. If you're looking around online for Mahgryn weight loss reviews, Mahgryn reviews and complaints, I have what you need. So let's watch the video from the beginning right here.
Put a slice of this green tea trick under your tongue tonight and watch your body.
So it says Meryl Streep on the right side of the screen. Just want to make sure. So you probably are like, that doesn't even look like her. I know, but it claims to be Meryl Streep, and that is scammy as it gets.
And I went from this to that at 76 years old. No workouts, no gyms, no weight loss drugs, only a cup of this special green tea every morning before breakfast. Let's not waste any time, because today's the day I'm finally going to reveal how to make this recipe right at home.
Okay, so just right at the top, special green tea, and they're showing someone with the honeycomb thing. Do people actually ever buy those honeycomb things and like drip honey off of it? That's just like something you see in stock videos and stock photos. But this is claiming there's going to be a special green tea recipe involving honey, and that you need to stick around for that. And this is the classic scam thing where they claim they're going to reveal a recipe to you, but in the end, it's always a bottle of pills, a dropper bottle of supplements, whatever. And that's what you're going to get here. You're not going to find at the end of this video, during the video, that this person, this fake AI generated person, supposedly Meryl Streep, is going to show you how to make a special green tea mixture with honey to lose weight. This is just a classic thing. Oh, it's something in your pantry. You're going to be able to do it tonight. It's a morning routine. It's a hack, a ritual, a method, and it's just not real.
Using just 2 or 3 simple ingredients, and it takes less than 2 minutes. I've never shared this with anyone before, and I'll never share it again. So if you're over 50 and still not using this trick every day, hurry and pay close attention to this video. Dr. Mark and Megyn Kelly showed me this trick a few years ago.
Dr. Mark Hyman and Megyn Kelly have no involvement with this product, so they're presenting to you people who you might trust. And I know not everyone's of the same political spectrum, so we don't need to get into politics down below. I know Megyn Kelly is of one side, and Dr. Mark Hyman, I believe, is a doctor. I don't know a whole lot about him other than that. That's just stated the obvious, what was in his title, but they have no involvement. So we'll likely see deep fakes of them in this presentation. Again, this is all about Mahgryn reviews and complaints.
And it works even if your metabolism is crawling, even if you're over 50, and even if your genetics are so bad it feels hopeless. Honestly, I didn't believe it at first either. But give yourself just 3 minutes and watch Megan's presentation to see exactly how I did it. You'll regret it if you don't try this.
Just a pinch of this green herb before bed can have you waking up 7 pounds lighter tomorrow.
So that's a deep fake of Megyn Kelly, and we're probably going to see deep fake of Dr. Mark Hyman here in just a second. Mahgryn reviews this. Mahgryn reviews and complaints. I keep saying that just to drill this home. If you're looking for reviews about this, I'm not saying the product is a scam, but I am saying there's some sort of scam marketing going on out there that some people need to be aware of so they don't then fall victim to scam marketing. And the company behind this would likely want to know what's going on here. And we'll see if they ever figure that out, I guess.
And up to 24 pounds in just the next 6 days. No diets, no workouts, no trendy injections. Ladies, in over 20 years covering weight loss transformations, I've never seen anything melt fat as fast as this green tea. So listen closely, because in the next few seconds, you're going to see exactly how to do this little matcha trick with simple ingredients you probably already have sitting in your kitchen. No wonder experts all over the country are calling it the turbocharged version of Mounjaro. It's quickly become the go-to secret for celebrities who want to...
Why did the words go behind that doctor's head? That was kind of funny, right?
Perfect body without lifting a finger. Just look at Kelly Clarkson. She dropped 67 pounds with this matcha trick. And Adele, an unbelievable 94 pounds gone. Weight she thought she'd never lose. Or Mariah Carey, who shed 38 pounds almost overnight after her last pregnancy. This simple 7-second ritual can push your body to burn off 15, 20, even 35 pounds of stubborn fat.
So no celebrities, no doctors, no hospitals, no universities have any involvement with this. That's all fake, what you just saw, that they had involvement.
Over the next 30 days. And it doesn't matter if you're in your 40, 50, or even past your 60. I can prove that to you.
My longtime friend and patient Rebel Wilson tried it, and she dropped 16 pounds in just 5 days. 4 weeks later, she was already down 77 pounds, going from this to this at 45 years old. That's because when matcha is combined with the right ingredients, it reactivates the two most powerful weight loss hormones your body stops making after 40.
And he never said any of this stuff, just to be absolutely clear.
GLP-1 and GIP. They're the exact same hormones in Zepbound, that weight loss shot that was proven to be 3x stronger than Mounjaro and Ozempic combined. That's right. With this simple green tea, you'll activate the same hormones as the world's top weight loss drug, but 100% naturally and with zero side effects.
Harvard just confirmed that Dr. Mark Hyman's viral matcha trick doesn't just have the same effects as Zepbound. It actually proved to be 85% more powerful and 99.2% safer than Mounjaro and Ozempic.
In other words, your metabolism speeds up and starts torching all that stored fat on your back, arms, and belly 24/7. Even while you sleep. And honestly, I'd tear up my diploma if this green tea didn't work for you.
So ladies, listen up. In less than 2 minutes, you're going to see exactly how to make this slimming tea right at home. But first, I got to give you a quick heads up. This recipe mimics the same effects as Zepbound, and just like the drug, you shouldn't use it more than once a day. I've gotten thousands of messages from women saying they actually had to eat more fast food just to keep from losing too much weight.
For 15 days, I lost 12 pounds, and I didn't do anything but...
These look like stolen photos, or stolen videos rather, maybe from TikTok or Instagram or something, then Deepfake added into it, meaning manipulated lip movement with AI generated audio, making you think that these girls were talking about this when in reality they never did. No one famous, no one of any legitimacy, no doctors, hospitals, and universities ever endorsed this product from what I can tell. And again, if you're looking around online for Mahgryn reviews, Mahgryn weight loss support reviews and complaints, and you want to know more about this, I'm just covering the scam marketing here that someone is doing. I'm not saying it's the company. I'm not calling the product itself a scam. I am, however, trying to inform you someone out there is doing some scam marketing. Go see a doctor. Always, that's my best advice.
But use this green tea trick. I still can't believe this is free. The only problem with this green tea trick is that I had to replace my entire wardrobe. I lost 31 pounds in just 3 weeks.
And this trick went viral. Over 54 million views on social media, with women all over the country saying they dropped anywhere from 40 to 75 pounds in just a few weeks. But here's the real shocker. Do you know why Rebel Wilson has never publicly revealed what she actually used to drop more than 70 pounds so suddenly?
I used to weigh 243 pounds, but in 2 months, just by doing this green tea trick.
So anyway, Mahgryn reviews. We don't need to watch anymore. Mahgryn reviews and complaints. If I'm saying it incorrectly, I'm sorry about that. This is supposedly a matcha trick, which I didn't know what matcha was until now. I've heard of it, but like I've never had it. It's green or something. I don't know. Anyway, what's going on with this is that someone is creating scam marketing for a product called Mahgryn reviews, or not Mahgryn reviews, from Mahgryn, weight loss support. And people are looking around for reviews for this product, and they're hoping to find information about it. And so when there's some marketing out there that's not legitimate, I want to try to offer some of my own information with my own videos and walk you through exactly what's going on. Maybe you saw this sort of a thing out there, to try to inform you about what you need to do as the next step. And my best advice is to go see a doctor, always. With these sorts of products, I'm not talking about this product here. Generally about these sorts of funnels for medicinal products that I see online with scam marketing aspects not tied to the company. Money back guarantee might not be honored because it might not be going through the real company. You might be signing up for subscription charges of hundreds of dollars a month. That's not good. And you also might be spending more money than you think on your first charges, despite you seeing a total and then it being different in your credit card statement later. It's big, frightening thing. Of course, you don't want that to happen. So I hope that my video has helped you a little bit. If you had an experience with this, let me know. Like, comment, and subscribe. The join button is really big down below. And so like is really big. Second biggest is join. There's also a thanks button too. So if you're looking around online for Mahgryn weight loss reviews, I hope that I helped you with my video. Thank you for watching.